Jay, and this little girl right here ain't scared of nobody. So if you gotta do...
Can you not speak correctly? Honestly, okay. Lil J, what does Lil J stand for? Like, Lil Jigaboo or some shit? Like, I don't even know, man. You're fucking whack, dude. Like, seriously, get the fuck out of here with your bullshit. Oh, girl. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, hell no. You did not go there, girl. Come to my hood. Come to my hood, Lil J. I'll show you what's good, homie. I'll show you what's good. That's real talk. That's real fucking talk. Come here. I got straps. I got knives. I got pencils and pens. And nigga, don't even trip. Don't even trip. Don't even trip, nigga.